Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30-day vocabulary series. So today is day 8 and today I am going to share one powerful word which make your English sound more smarter and professional. And yes, I will share one easy trick to remember this word easily. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So today's word of the day is meticulous. Yes, repeat after me. Meticulous. Correct. We use meticulous as an adjective. Now let's understand the meaning. Meticulous means someone who pays a lot of attention to small details and wants everything to be perfect. In Hindi, meticulous का मतलब होता है जो व्यक्ति हर काम बहुत बारीकी और सावधानी से करता है. Now let's look at some synonyms of this word. Carefully, precise, detail-oriented. These are the synonyms of meticulous. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. She is very meticulous while doing her work. He checked every detail before submitting the report because he is meticulous. To improve your English, you need to be meticulous with your practice. Now let's understand this word with simple situation. Okay, see, when you send a message, you check it again and again for spelling mistakes, or when you clean something and you make sure everything should be perfectly clean. So that means you are being meticulous. So there is a simple trick. Focus on small details means meticulous. So that's all. Whenever you see someone who focuses too much on every small details, that means he or she is very meticulous. And guys, I would say just practice this word as much as possible in your conversation because we know practice is the key. And try to frame sentences in your diary. So this is the best way to learn vocabulary naturally. And I hope you like this trick. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in my next video with another powerful word in our 30-day vocabulary series. Bye bye. See you soon.